Today in this video we will get to know about how to make use of bool method in Froala editor. So you just have to include these JS and CSS file under resources, and you just have to paste this custom HTML button here inside the HTML area. And now I am binding on click event on that button like this. I am going to paste here in the JS and then click on run. So now you can see you will get a bold button like this, and if you will type something here and then select some of the text and click on bold, then you can see the style gets changed and you get this bold styling here. So in this way you can use the same script in your project to get a button like this outside the editor area. And this is all about it, and thanks a lot for watching this video.